Today, I'm gonna show you a very simple trick to make your footage look better using white balance. Stick around, I'll show you how. Hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be part of the conversation. What you'll need is one of these, a small black pouch. Actually, what this is my white balance card. It pops out and it has two sides. One has a white screen on it, and one has a gray screen on it. And this gray is an 18% neutral gray, and that is a pure white. Now, the reason this is important is when you go to color correct your footage, you wanna make sure that your footage isn't too blue or too green or too red, because all footage is made up of those three basic colors, red, green, and blue. But how do you tell if it's a little too green or it's a little too blue? Just by eye. What if your computer monitor is a little blue or a little too green? Well, this is your point of reference. This allows you to point and click right from inside Filmora 9 to get a perfect balance for your footage. For our purposes, I took a piece of footage and I intentionally threw the colors out of balance. This footage is particularly yellow now. What you'll need to do is hold up your white balance card near the thing the camera will be focusing on. In this case, it's my face. Now, there's a lot of online debate about which side of this card works better for white balancing and why, but I won't dig too deep into raw footage and histograms. Just know that in most instances, either the white or gray side will give you fairly similar results. I got this one off of Amazon for under $10. I'll put a link down below so you can check it out too. I like to use the gray side when I'm filming footage that might be really blown out with white light, like filming outside in the snow, and the white side I use for darker footage, like when I'm shooting indoors, but that's just my preference. Go to the point in the footage where the card is held up clearly and then double left click on your footage. In the upper left, under the Color tab, you'll see White Balance. Make sure the box is checked, and then in the Select Color option, click on the eyedropper. That will create a little plus mark. Bring that over to your white balance card and click right into the color area of your card. Instantly, your footage is brought back into balance. Let's look at that one more time. Yellow footage, click on the eyedropper, click on the white balance card, and bam! Now, even if your footage doesn't seem to be particularly unbalanced, you should use your white balance card at the beginning of every time you film so that you can balance your footage and your color will look the best it possibly can, no matter what screen someone might be watching it on. So there you go, white balance. If you want to learn more Filmora tips and tricks, check out this video right here, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Wow, that just blew up on me.